Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is from RCQ Philippines. So now here is about the question. We need to find the value of a, b, c, d, e. In this situation, later that we need to find the value of this one. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question in here. So we know that 143 divided to 69, we can do about long division in here. In this situation, we just have only number 2. 2 multiplied with this number, you will got about 138. We minus together, and you will got about number 5. So in this situation, you got about 143 divided to 69. You will got about 2 plus 5 over 69. Now number 5 in here, we can put about number 5 in here. So now we do about same technique. We have number 1, 5 multiplied with 1, you got about 5. So 6 minus 5, you got about 1. Now you got about 19. And in this situation, we got about 3. 5 multiplied with 3, you got about 15. We minus together, you got about 4. So in this situation, you got about 2 plus 1 over, so you got about 13. And we have 4 over 60, or 4 over 9, 4 over 5. Next, we do the same technique for number 4. So we put about 2 plus 1 over 13 plus 1 over 5 divided by 4, because you got about c plus d over e right now. So in this situation, we just put about 5, we can put about 4 plus 1, so you got about 1 plus 1 over 4. Now let's compare for the question. So now we can know that A is about number 2, B is about 13, C is about number 1, D is about number 1, E is about number 4. So we sum all the number together. And you got about 21. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.